first and onlyest person in the office. You know what it means. Time to make that coffee.
From the hills of Colombia.
And now we wait. Always make sure you close your knife before you set it down on the counter. Alright, I think we're done. So hit that off switch. Pull this bad boy out. Oh, that disgusting coffee. Change that. It is time for piping hot coffee. And that is how we do it. Alright, so maybe a quick pocket check since we got the time. We've got my Black Cross leather Space Pirate Captain XO slip for his lautie shuffle. Yes, I've been saying the name wrong this whole time. This is the copper and brass pocket aces, number 140. For the knife, we've got the mcnees knives custom bemascus anodized spyderco mcbee with the combat beads, OD green micarta bead. Absolute favorite titanium frame lock knife. Love this so much. Of course, the EDC flashlight, the Nitecore Tiki glow in the dark edition, 300 lumen little jobber with a one-eyed ghost bead, glow in the dark. That is my Friday office carry. Oh, wait. Don't forget the Hank. We've got a damn Hank's totally radical 1990s print microfiber backed Hank to set the whole thing together. On the Ranger Eye selection this week, we've got Inkpot Artworks, the Caps 2 original Vandal Eye, the Coqui Creations Team Weekend Warrior Gundam Rage Cup, and a little mutton down here from Elm Knives. All in my Xero feud soft wallet mini pouch in the ripstop nylon. These are my favorite versions in gray. So that's the pocket check for yens this week. Now, if you'll excuse me, I got work stuff to take care of. I'll see yens later.